Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present the best stockbroker in Norway, thanks to which you can buy ETFs, stocks for long-term holding or swift trading or like day trading. That's like up to you. So when you would come here, you want to scroll down below to the description and click on the link. You will get on this website called DEGIRO. DEGIRO is a company which is going to allow it to, and for me, DEGIRO is the best stockbroker, and let me explain why. I made also a video in which I was comparing all the investment brokers, and I really believe that DEGIRO is just the best in Norway. You can also open an account for free and test it out by yourself. You just scroll down below, click here to Norway, and go to top right, registering, and then just like select the country as Norway, and you're good to go. Now, when you're gonna do it, I'm going to explain you the fees and everything. Not only the broker choose that DEGIRO as the best broker for stock trading and best discount broker, DEGIRO, it got also real low fees. This is the first thing. They got real low fees, $0.7 per $2 commission trade. ETFs that can be traded for free once a month if you want to long-term invest. And then the really one thing that I love is that no account fee, no inactivity fee, no deposit fee or withdrawal fee. eToro got withdrawal fee, also inactivity fee. Interactive brokers got inactivity fee. Then you got Trading 212 that if you want to add a debit card, you're gonna pay 0.7% as a fee. And they got also the swing fees. So this is another thing, is that broker like DEGIRO is a top notch in my eyes. Then you got the markets and products here that you're gonna see Forex and CFD that you can use. That's like, okay, you can't, but other than that, it's like top notch. And also for long-term holding, the customer support is great. When you would see how it looks to use it, it's pretty simple. You can add the stocks, create the portfolios. And yeah, so this is pretty much it. This is why I think DEGIRO is the best. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See you.